Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. Okay guys, here I have 5 ways to solve it. The first way is to turn off the power or restart your Infinix cell phone. Well, you can press the power button, then you click turn off the power or restart. The purpose is to refresh your smartphone. Well, and then the second way is to check the Wi-Fi settings. Here you can see how many devices can be connected. Well, if the maximum connected device is only 5, and then you're the 6th person, and then you cannot be able to connect either. After that, the third way is maybe your device is blocked. Well, even though we have entered the correct password, but we are blocked, it will not be able to connect either. Next, the fourth way is to re-enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, maybe the Wi-Fi password was changed or something, so we cannot connect. Okay, here you can long press the Wi-Fi and then you click modify. After that, you click on the new Wi-Fi password. Well, then if these 4 methods are not possible, you can use the 5th method. Okay, the last way is to reset the Wi-Fi settings. Well, we can go back and then we enter the settings. Here we go to the very bottom, we click System. Well, then here we click Reset Phone. After that, here we click Reset Wi-Fi Settings. Now this won't reset all the data on your phone, it just resets the entire network that is on Wi-Fi, cellular data, and Bluetooth. Then here you can click Reset. Okay, then the entire Wi-Fi network on your Infinix device will be reset. And then you can connect to the Wi-Fi again. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method you can also apply it on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press subscribe button for more information. Thank you.